So my girlies, if you have dark knuckles and you're looking for an effective soap that work on dark spots, dark knuckles, dark elbow, dark knees and all that, I always get questions like this, okay? Soaps you can use for your dark knuckles and all that. So I'll be showing you these 4 soaps that are very effective. Number 1 is this Kojic Acid soap. You all know that Kojic Acid works on blemishes, anything dark spots, dark knuckles and all that. This Kojic Acid got you. This is the original Kojic Acid. It's always very strong. You can see it is like Zuma rock. Okay, so this is very good. The major ingredient is Kojic Acid. Another one that we are used to, we already know, is Kojic, but make sure you're getting the original one. Okay, so this is Kojic soap. This is a 3-in-1. We have the single one, the double one and all that. This major ingredient is Kojic Acid also, but there are different companies. Alright, the third one is this QX5 soap. This has alpha arbutin, which works on your dark areas, your dark spots, your dark knuckles and all that. It has vitamin C, which also works on blemishes, and it also has glutathione. Come on. Okay, this is not where it ends. It also has other amazing ingredients, but we're focusing on this 3 major ingredients. If you have dark knuckles, dark knee and all that, and you're looking for effective soap for that dark areas, you can get this. The next one is your glutathione soap. This major ingredient is glutathione. So these are the 4 soaps that are very effective. We have so many of them, but this is the 4 I can be listing now. Maybe subsequently I can still show you other ones, but do not rely only on this soap. Okay, get your, if it's for your knuckles, get your knuckle treatment cream, or you can get your hand cream. When you're using that hand cream, it helps to even out your skin. All right, these soaps, what you're going to be doing is touch them in water, maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour before shower. Touch them in water, massage it, apply it on those areas. Okay, when you apply it, you massage it thoroughly and leave it to sink in so that your skin can absorb those ingredients. You can leave it for like 30 minutes, as I said. Then you go and shower. Do not expose your hand to fire or anything. Now, if you're treating dark knuckles, avoid lightening skincare product. That is what you need to do. That is even the most important thing. Avoid lightening skincare products. Okay, just be using your hand cream and use this soap, and get an exfoliant. Either your physical exfoliant or your chemical exfoliant. Physical exfoliants, the likes of scrubs, okay, scrubs that are very good for dark knuckles. These are some that you can try. Okay, chemical exfoliants are toners and serums that has glycolic. If you can get glycolic toner, you can get glycolic serum, something like this. Okay, so you can use them also 3 times a week and you are good to go. Within a short time, you will have an even, glowing, beautiful hands. Okay, so basically I hope this is very helpful.